Welcome guys. Today I'm making carrot juice. I woke up this morning feeling a bit down, so I'm gonna make this carrot revitalizer. It's very nutritious and easy to prepare. They are packed with essential vitamins and minerals which our body needs. I'm gonna be adding some apples, oranges, lemon to it, just to help to boost the immune system. These are very helpful, especially during this cold weather. Helps you to stay strong and energized. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, you can try it for yourself.